Hi, hello, good morning. Welcome to GG classes. Today, what we are going to do? We have started up with the ratios, right? Ratio analysis. So, current ratios we have completed. Now, we enter to the profitability ratios. In this, I have given a small problem to solve gross profit ratio and net profit ratio. Okay, let us enter inside the class and let's check how to solve them. Okay, so here the data given to you is gross profit ratio and net profit ratio. Required data is handed over to you. Now you should find out what are the ratios. So if you don't know what to do, first write the formulas. Okay, already I have given all the formulas. First write on the formulas. Gross profit ratio. This is also called GPR. Okay, gross profit ratio is equal to gross profit divided by sales into 100. Okay, next net profit ratio. Formula for net profit ratio, net profit divided by sales into 100. Sales already given in the question. So now what we should know? What is gross profit and what is net profit? How to find out gross profit? Gross profit, there are so many methods to find out. One, sales minus expenses if you do, then you can find out, as sales minus cost of goods sold you do, then you can find out what is the gross profit. Okay, so now first let's write down what is cost of goods sold. Okay, let us write down what is cost of goods sold. So gross profit is equal to sales minus cost of goods sold. It can also called as COGS. Cost of goods sold. We call it COGS also. Okay. So now how to find out cost of goods sold? Let us see. COGS is equal to purchases plus opening stock. If any direct expenses are there, that also you take direct expenses minus closing stock. Let us check formula once again. Opening stock, purchases, direct expenses minus closing stock is called as cost of goods sold. Let us check what is the data given to you. Purchases 50,000. Opening stock 10,000. Next, carriers inwards. Carriers inwards comes in the trading account only. It is also called as direct expense. How much? 5,000. Any other direct expenses? There is no more direct expenses. And write down the closing stock 15,000 minus 15,000. Okay, 50,000 plus 10,000 plus 5,000 minus 15,000. How much you will get? It is 50,000. Okay, now let's find out what is gross profit. Gross profit is equal to, already we have written the formula, sales minus cost of goods sold. What is sales? 1 lakh. 1 lakh minus 50,000. Then how much you will get? Gross profit is 50,000. Okay, now let's find out the ratio. Gross profit ratio is equal to gross profit 50,000 divided by sales 1 lakh into 100. How much you will get there? How much it is? I think we will be getting 50%. It is 50%. That's it. Now you should find out what is net profit ratio. How to find out net profit ratio? First let's find out what is net profit. Okay. Net profit means gross profit minus operating expenses or gross profit minus indirect expenses. Then you can find out what is net profit. So net profit is equal to gross profit minus indirect expenses. So what is gross profit? We calculated 50,000. So 50,000 minus what are indirect expenses? Administrative expenses are there. How much? 5,000. Next selling expenses are there. 3,000. Next salaries are there. 2,000. So total 10,000. 50,000 minus 10,000, you got 40,000. Okay, this is 40,000. Now let's find out what is net profit ratio. Net profit ratio. What is the formula? Net profit divided by sales into 100. What is net profit? 40,000. So 40,000 divided by sales is 1 lakh into 100. How much you will get? 40%. That's it. These are two ratios. One is gross profit ratio and then net profit ratio. Okay. Check the question and solution. Just understand very carefully. Before that, what you have to do? First read the formulas. Without reading the formulas, how much ever you know, you can't solve the question. Okay. First read the formulas, learn the formulas, and then you can solve the problem very easily. Okay. One more problem we will solve in the profitability ratios. First copy this one. Okay. Let's start next question. Okay. Check the question. We give you some data asking you to find out operating cost ratio, gross profit ratio, and net profit ratio. Now let us see what are those. Okay. Now first let us see what is gross profit ratio, because already gross profit is given in the question, sales also given in the question. Formula for gross profit ratio: gross profit divided by sales into 100. Gross profit given directly. Sales 1,01,000 and you have sales returns also. Generally we take net sales, right? Generally we take net sales. So now first let's find out what is net sales. Net sales is equal to sales minus sales returns. What is sales? 1,01,000 minus returns are 1,000. So you got 1 lakh. Clear? Next. Gross profit already given in the ratio question, right? Gross profit ratio is equal to gross profit. How much is that? 4 lakhs. Hey, this is 10 lakh 1,000, no? 10 lakh 1,000. So you got 10 lakhs. Okay? 10 lakhs into 100. How much you will get? 4 lakhs divided by 10 lakhs into 100. It is 40%. It is 40%. Next, you should find out net profit ratio. What is the formula for net profit ratio? Net profit divided by net sales into 100. Do you have net profit directly? No, we don't have. So, let us find out what is net profit. Net profit is equal to net sales minus administrative expenses, direct and indirect expenses, indirect and non-cash expenses we can take here. Okay. So what are non-cash? There is no non-cash expenses, only indirect expenses we have, that is administrative expenses and selling expenses. So I am writing net sales minus administrative expenses minus selling expenses. How much you will get? Net sales 10 lakhs minus administrative expenses. How much they gave? 2 lakhs. Selling expenses 1 lakh. Then how much you will get? Sorry, not net sales. It is gross profit, no? Last question we have subtracted from gross profit. What is gross profit? Gross profit is 4 lakhs. 4 lakh minus 2 lakh minus 1 lakh, you got 1 lakh. 4 lakh minus 3 lakh, you got 1 lakh. Now let's find out what is net profit ratio. Net profit ratio is equal to net profit 1 lakh divided by net sales 10 lakh into 100. How much you will get? 1 lakh divided by 10 lakhs into 100. You will be getting 10%. Okay. Now you should find out operating cost ratio. Okay. So first let's find out, let's write down what is the formula. operating cost ratio is equal to operating cost divided by net sales into 100. That is the formula. Now let's find out what is operating cost. Net sales already you have, or else this is also called revenue from operations also you can call it. Okay. Now first let's find out what is operating cost. Operating cost is equal to cost of revenue from operations plus if you have any administrative expenses, any selling and distribution expenses, all together is called as operating cost. Okay. This is not revenue from operations. This is cost of revenue from operations. To get the revenue from operations, whatever you have spent, that is called cost of revenue from operations. First, let's find out what is cost of revenue from operations. Cost of revenue from operations. You will find this one. This is nothing but cost of goods sold. Sales minus gross profit. So let's do that. 10 lakhs minus what is gross profit? It is 4 lakhs. 10 lakhs minus 4 lakhs. Then how much you will get? 6 lakhs. Okay. Now let's find out what is operating cost. Operating cost is equal to 6 lakhs plus what is administrative expenses? 2 lakhs. This is 2. Plus what is selling and distribution expenses? We have only selling expenses, that is 1 lakh. So how much you got total? 9 lakhs. 9 lakhs is operating cost. Now let's find out what is operating cost ratio. Operating cost ratio is equal to operating cost 9 lakh divided by 10 lakhs into 100. How much you will get? I think it should be 90%. Let me check. Nine lakhs divided by 10 lakhs into 100. That is 90%. Correct. Okay. Now check it out. First you should find out already gross profit ratio, net profit ratio we have done already. So I am not spending much time on that. Operating cost ratio. First you should find out operating cost. Operating cost you will be finding from cost of revenue from operation plus administrative expenses plus selling and distribution expenses. Sales also called as revenue from operations. Okay, here this is not revenue from operations, this is cost of revenue from operations. This is also called cost of goods sold. How do you find cost of goods sold? Either sales minus gross profit or else opening stock plus purchases plus direct expenses minus closing stock. That also you can use, or this also you can use. Any method you can follow. Okay, so here we have easy to find out because we don't have what is opening stock, what is purchases, nothing we have, right? So directly I am using this method. Sales minus gross profit I am using. Then I got what is the cost of operating cost. Then cost of operating cost plus whatever administrative and selling and distribution expenses you have to add them. After adding, I got 9 lakhs. Now operating cost ratio is equal to 9 lakh divided by 10 lakh into 100. You got 90%. Is this clear to you? Yeah, this one is clear, right? So please copy this one very fast. And what I would like to tell you immediately, please like it, share it, subscribe it. Once you subscribe, there will be one bell icon in the side. Please press it once. Okay? Thank you very much. Bye bye. Keep smiling.